In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a new profile on Netflix. The first thing we need to do is to go to our Netflix application. This is on iPad Air. You will be in Home and then you want to go to More. And once that you are More, you can click on this plus button to add a new profile. But also you can go here on your profile and you can click on this plus button from here. Either way will be fine. From Home, you want to go to More, and here you can either manage profiles or just click on add profile. And here you can just type the name of the profile you want, and then you click on return or enter and you tap on save, and there you go, you have already a new profile. And once you are in your Home, you can go and see it from here. Now if you want to make this profile a kids profile, you just tap on it, and as you can see, this is a general profile and it has a ton of movies that are for adults. You cannot edit the maturity ratings once that the profile is created. So you're gonna click on cancel, and you want to add another profile that you want it just for kids. And if it's just for kids, you want to tap on this button right here that says for kids and do it before you click on save, because if you don't, then you won't be able to change the settings afterwards. So you tap on save, and there you go, you now have a just kids account and you have the general account. Now if you want to delete one of these profiles, you just tap on your profile, click on edit again, tap on edit, and then you have delete option from here. Then it asks you if you want to delete this profile. You tap on yes, and there you go, you just deleted the profile and you tap on done. Now you go and tap on whatever profile you want and it will start this profile already. I'm gonna show you how you can switch from profiles. So you just tap on the different profile you want, in this case from here. And that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.